Josh and I were looking to liven up our TV wall. We thought that was more like an accent wall, and in our actual home we have all of our walls painted white. And we're not brave enough in our home to do an accent wall, but we were brave enough in our camper to add some color and add some paint. We love the Caribbean beach vibe, the Florida Key vibe, so we ended up going with more like a teal color. I was able to find at Walmart the American flag peel-on sticker, along with some command hooks, the hanging basket. You'll notice over there, we didn't start this right away, but any place that we've camped, we've gotten a sticker or a magnet or some sort of anything to remind us of that place. And I just have that cookie sheet attached up with industrial strength Velcro from Walmart. It was actually in the sewing section at the time that I bought it. So we really think that that livened up our wall to help make it feel more what we were going for in our camper.